What's going on, everybody? Brad Cohen, Harman Realty, back for another real estate advice video. In this video, I want to talk about real estate investing. Becoming a successful real estate investor doesn't require a boatload of cash or years of experience. In fact, there are plenty of ways to get started small and build your portfolio over time. In this video, stay tuned for some tips on how to get started with real estate investing. In case you didn't know, real estate investing is one of the best ways that you can build wealth for your family over time. Whether that's just buying your own home or investing in rental property or investing in real estate investment trusts, there are plenty of different ways that you can diversify your portfolio and build wealth for your family over time. So, how do you get started? Well, it's very easy to get started in kind of a passive way initially. First, and very simply, you can buy your own house. Getting out of the cycle of renting and building equity in your property will enable you to build wealth in large amounts to be able to purchase future rental properties. You could also invest passively by way of a REIT, which is a real estate investment trust. It's similar to investing in the stock market or a mutual fund, but it's held in real estate assets. The benefit for you as a new investor is there is a lower cost of acquisition and all the groundwork has already been done by the experts for you, so you can count on pretty solid returns. The other benefit of investing in a REIT is you don't have to worry about a tenant calling you with a broken pipe in the middle of the night. Other things to consider with real estate investing is looking for a very specific property type to meet your needs. Not every property is going to bring the same type of returns. Some are going to cash flow better, and others are just going to appreciate in value over time. And you'll have to make that assessment for yourself. For example, a single-family home that is near an elementary school, you're going to be renting probably for close to the mortgage payment, but it's more likely to appreciate over time. Rather, if you are looking at student housing, it's more about cash flow. It's about renting those rooms by the room and getting as much as you can per month in rent. And perhaps maybe you want to think about short-term rentals. Maybe you want to get into a resort area or a vacation area, and then you can typically multiply your cash flow pretty strong as well. Or maybe you just want to Airbnb a room in your house. If you own your house, that's a great way to create some passive income. The third and final tip that I want to give you about real estate investing is that you gotta do the math. Not every investment is going to work out the way that you want it to, so it's very important to do the due diligence on the front end to make sure that you're going to be making the money that you want on your investment. Calculating cash flow and equity potential are important to consider in the long-term hold for your real estate investment. You do not want to find yourself in a position where you haven't accounted for any potential repairs that you're going to need to make, or God forbid you need to put a new roof on or an HVAC system goes and that completely kills your investment for the year. Is it a good time to be investing in real estate? Well, ask the 5 investors who bought property from me last month. If you've been thinking that it's not a good time to be buying real estate, I think you're probably wrong. Investors are buying real estate up in droves in all of the markets right now. Why? Because where else would you put your money? You can't put it in the stock market. You can't put it in crypto. The bond market's not really great. So outside of precious metals, where else would you put it? Real estate. Americans consistently vote real estate as the best long-term investment. In conclusion, if you have been thinking about getting started investing in real estate, I hope these tips have been helpful for you. If you'd like to talk more about your specific situation or how to get started, I'd be happy to speak with you. Feel free to reach out in the comments, call, text, email me. As always, Brad Cohen, your go-to real estate resource in Harrisonburg and beyond. Talk to you soon. Thanks for watching.